Amendment 1, Basic Freedoms. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or press or the right of the people peacefully to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievance.
Bush stinks.
He's over here!
Did you hear something?
No, I didn't. Did you?
I thought I did.
I got the gun! It's my Second Amendment rights! Out of here! Out of here, you little rascal! Quartering of soldiers. No soldier shall, in time of peace, and be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by the law.
What do you want this time?
Give me some food, woman!
Jeez. Wait a second. If you stupid fool! I hate my wife!
The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized.
What's this? Doesn't look registered.
Oh, okay, I'll see you later, see you later. What are you doing in my house?
Do you know what this is?
It's not mine.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Well, it's not registered.
Hey, you can't be in my house.
I have a warrant.
Uh-oh. No person shall be held to answer for the capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or incident of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Now, Peter Piper, did you in fact pick a pack of pickled peppers?
No!
Hello, grand jury. Do you think the defendant is innocent or guilty?
We find the defendant innocent.
Yes! Breaking news. It seems like the pickled peppers have been picked. The police have the lead that it was Peter Piper, but he can't be brought to trial because he was found innocent by the jury in the last case. It seems like we might never know who really picked the peck of pickled peppers.
Amendment 6, right to a fair trial. Citizens who are accused of crimes have the right to a trial by a jury that is fair and public. They have the right to question a witness, and they have the right to a lawyer.
Hey, you! Hey, you!
Who, me?
What you got in your shirt over there?
Nothing.
Zach, why don't you turn around? I see a cord hanging out. Is that a lamp?
No.
I'm gonna have to ask you to drop the lamp. Drop.
Hello, Sergeant.
No. Sergeant, we got a shoplifter at Robinson's house stealing a lamp. I'm gonna need backup.
Okay, we're sending him out right now.
Get up, pal. Let's go.
Right,
You've got the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in the court of law. If you don't have a lawyer, we can appoint one for you. Now get in the car.
Amendment 7. In suits at common law where the value and controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law.
Because of you, I have a broken knee.
Because of me?
Yeah, I can't pay the medical bills and I can't go to work.
What do I have to do with that?
Your janitor that you employed didn't put a wet sign.
Well, you should have seen the wet puddle.
Okay, because I'm looking down the whole time. You need to pay for
What normal
this.
person doesn't?
Do you find the defendant company guilty or not guilty?
We find the
We-
defendants guilty
As charged.
of charge.
Amendment 8. Bail, fines, punishment. Exclusive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted.
Well, hello, Danny Gar.
Leave me alone.
Okay, that's the box.
Amendment 9. Rights retained by the people. The government must respect all the rights of Americans, including the rights that are not listed in the Constitution.
Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna need your DNA
Why?
because it's police work and where you have been.
You cannot have my DNA.
You did not just push a cop, man. No,
I didn't quit.
I'll be back. Amendment 10, States' Rights. The states and the people keep any powers that the Constitution does not specify give to the federal government.
Here's your meat test.
Why do I have to take the meat?
It's a state rule.
The Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments to the Constitution. Amendment 1 is the basic freedoms. Amendment 2, right to bear arms. Amendment 3, quartering of soldiers. Amendment 4, search and arrest. Amendment 5, rights in a critical case. Amendment 6, right to a fair trial. Amendment 7, rights in civil cases. Amendment 8, bail, fines, and punishment. Amendment 9, rights retained by the people. And number 10, the states' rights. It's a smelly book.